Hi lovely, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 exciting new developments planned for Montego Bay. So that's 4 new mega projects planned for Montego Bay, Jamaica, which more than likely you've not heard about, and 2 updates. So stay tuned to the end of the video so that you don't miss a thing. Hi, I'm Artsy, and on this channel we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay. We meet every Sunday, and sometimes I give you 1 or 2 bonus videos in the week. So if that seems like something you would be interested in, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And join me over on the community tab. I ask questions to learn more about what you like, plus I give some updates there as well. Before we get into the video, I want to point out that I won't be able to provide you with the start date for these construction projects, and that's mostly because of the stage of the process that they are at presently. You will understand as soon as I get into the video. The information I'm sharing is the information I presently have, and the information I'm able to share with you at this time. So let's get started. Number 1. The first development I want to talk to you about will be in the Lilliput area. They will be constructing 3 different hotels to be built in phases out at Lilliput on the sea-facing side, one of which will be the long-awaited Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. They already received outline planning permission. They now need to submit a detailed application for building and planning approval. The entire project should add over 1,800 guest rooms to Montego Bay's offerings. They are presently doing site clearance and preparation, so that's like constructing a site office, a storage area, and clearing up shrubs and things like that from the land. I will keep track of that development and update you as I get more information. By the way, for those of you who have been looking forward to a high-rise building in Montego Bay, you may want to stay till later on in the video. I have a little gift for you. Number 2. The second development will be out at Freeport, Montego Bay. The development will be mixed use, so residential and resort style accommodations along with a commercial area. The current proposal is for 14 stories. However, they have not yet gotten approval to proceed. They still need to submit a detailed application for building and planning approval. The location of the project is right after you pass the shipping port, indicated here on the Google Earth map. Now, I noticed that a lot of new developments are applying a mixed-use style to their design, so a commercial area is being added to the residential complexes. Now, I love that. Now, this is a nice upscale community in Montego Freeport. It is quiet, serene, and safe. So if you want to have a look at the entire neighborhood, I will link a video of a walkthrough I did last year. Freeport is also close to the Fairview Shopping Center. I have 3 walkthrough videos of that complex as well. There are financial institutions in the shopping center, over 30 restaurants, supermarkets, a theater, pharmacies, spas, doctor offices, just everything you need. It's basically the largest shopping center in Jamaica. Number 3. The next new development will be located on Godfrey Dyer Boulevard. They will be building 12 floors for 85 guest units with a commercial section on the lower floors. So probably things like retail stores and restaurants. So next we have the high-rise building I hinted at earlier, and then 2 updates on developments I spoke to you about previously. Before I move on, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you are excited about these new developments. Also, do you like the idea of these resort style residential accommodations with a commercial area attached? Do you think you would feel safer in a setting like that? Or do you like sprawling lawn space all to yourself in a nice country area? Let me know what you think. So number 4. This upcoming development will be located out at Reading. They haven't started yet, and I have no start date to provide you with, but they have already received outline planning approval, and they now need to submit a detailed application for building and planning approval. It's a mixed-use facility as well, with residential and resort-style accommodations and a commercial area located on the sea-facing side of the road before you get to Long Hill. So that section out at Reading. The proposal is for 4 28-story towers to be built, which means if they get approved, this may just be the new tallest building in Jamaica. So I've been researching the Ascent building in Kingston that is currently the tallest building in Jamaica. This Gleaner article in reference to it says 26 stories, and an Observer article says at least 27 stories. So at the very least, this proposed construction out at Reading may be the second tallest if approved. We'll see. And now for the updates. So I have some information on the ongoing development at Westgate that I've shown you guys a few times before. It is actually being developed by Barnett Limited. It's a proposed commercial complex. Right now, they seem to have already received subdivision approval. So they are putting in infrastructure, for example, cutting out roads and cutting up land to sell lots for development. So a bit like what is being done at Barnett Tech Park, where people buy the lots and then build on it. I think this may very well be linked to the Montego Bay South project I did a video on a few months ago. That's another video you should definitely check out, and I will also link it in the description box and possibly above. So the next update. So I saw in a Gleaner article that the pricing for Jamaica Starlink is now up on the Starlink website. And I had to hop on over there to check it out. So let's have a look. So the monthly fee is going to be 8,450 Jamaican dollars, which is higher than the competition, and then $60,500 for purchasing the hardware, but that's a one-time fee. So in total, it's 68,950 Jamaican dollars. The internet will be faster though. Are you willing to pay that amount for faster internet? Let me know in the comments, and watch this next video if you want to learn more about Elon Musk's Starlink internet service. Thanks for hanging with me today, and see you in the next one.